Guys, today I'm on the Allure of the Seas. We're docked in Coxen Hole, Roatan, Honduras. We're fixing to get off and do a little exploring here in this little port, so hey, come go with me. Yeah, looks like it's time to get off the ship. Seems like every port we go to, there's a Diamonds International. Yeah, they actually got stores upstairs too. Yeah. Like you can sit in the water and have a drink. Nice little bar. You can out in the water, you sit up there and drink. Yeah, it got like they got a little man-made beach over here that you can actually sit in the shade. It's like a lazy river. I'll try to get some more video of it in a minute. Piranha Joe's. My wife's got to go in there. And there's the monkey bar. Turn around and show you where we came from. My room's up there, 14th deck, nearly in the front. You're the tequila. Don't seem very crowded today, does it? If you want a Swedish massage, here's the place to go. You can lay here and get you a massage by this little lazy river. Turtle Bay. Norwegian Vivas here. Lure of the Seas. Like down here at the end, they got a little bar. Yeah. Looks like they got hammocks out here you can set in. Nobody doing it right now, but they got some things out there that you can sit in and buy drinks and sit out in the floating inner tube and have a drink. Going to kind of give you a 360 degree here in just a second. I'm going to get up on this bridge and let you see what the whole port looks like in 360 degrees. Alright, there's where we came from. There's a swimming pool, got a beach. Got some coconuts in the tree. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little port walking tour here in Coxen Hole, Roatan, Honduras. Hey, if you did, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Check out my other cruise videos, the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.